My beautiful people, thank you for joining me today for your crown chakra reading. It's just a little reading. We'll be using a couple of cards today from a few different decks. And it's to help attune and align this chakra should it be a little out of whack. So our question for this will be, how can I trust in inner guidance to be my true self? And from the Living with a Feather Heart Oracle, we have I am accepting. In all of life's uncertainties, one absolute certainty remains. Although we live, we shall also die. As we wake, so shall we dream. The only permanence is impermanence, and by accepting this noble truth, we can find the splendor in being. Ancient Egyptian mystery schools, in particular, emphasize this ideal in many of their teachings, finding reverence in the star Sirius as the beacon of light to remind us of accepting the cosmic choreography of flux. The Egyptians observed how the star would sink into the west and disappear from the evening sky, hiding from sight for 17 days before emerging in the east in the morning, rising to shine yet again. Death was referred to as westing and seen as a doorway to another possibility, a portal of potentiation. The popular yet also ancient Lord's Prayer is practiced as a Christian form of communion with the divine, but in its native tongue of Aramaic, an alchemical meaning can be found, especially in the relationship to I am accepting. In the modern world, death is something evocative of sadness, grief, and mourning. Our relationship to an end is perhaps so feared because the very nature of current culture is so deeply rooted in attachment. Beyond death in the physical sense, even the notion of ego death, or letting go of the fears that cripple and bind us to lower worlds, perpetuates nebulous thinking patterns, leaving us paralyzed from becoming the cosmic expression of light we are truly destined to be, and passing through and out of life. When the sun sets, let us not mourn its temporary slumber, while the moon shines in its place. The sun shall rise again when the morning comes. Ebb and flow are the nature of the universe, and cosmic tides of life force, washing away the metaphorical sandcastles we build with the attention and action we put into the architecture of our lifetime. Our memories are a mandala, and although they may even eventually find their exaltation and expiration in the physical sense, the imprints of beauty placed into our consciousness never go away if we nurture what has passed by honoring the past and allowing it to transform into its greater iteration. Our invisible spirit is in an immortal state of constant change, and in honoring the ideal of acceptance, we can let go of expectation as we accept our incandescent nature and honor it by bringing heaven to earth as we journey from earth to heaven, focusing our light and beautifying all. Thank you. I'm so pleased to be able to share this reading with you. I hope you found some insight in the words that I relayed to you. Please feel free to check out any of my other readings I have. And I am sending you all my love. Take care.